Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, so from here I created our method, and from to this method I get all that our data, right? So right now that maybe they have some of the issues I want to do, and to right now find out these issues. Like if you want to check it, I click as a refresh, because here our this data is not loaded. So now why it's not loaded? Now I want to check it. Now go to the inspect and go to that network. So from to the network we will actually get these issues. Now I select on the this month, click as a search. Now you can see they have some of the issues. So now if I open it, so what exactly I did wrong? You can see it's now showing as an undefined variable as a request in line, that means in our account salary controller PHP, that is at 42, right? So now go to that 42. What exactly I did wrong? There is a 42, there is a request data. So here you can see that is actually I pass it as a return response JSON. So here you have to obviously pass it as a request, right? So I didn't add that request. So for the reasons actually it's not getting that our this request. Perfect. So we solve it. Now click as a save all. Now check it. There is if there have any error or not. Now I want to check it with the replay. Wow. You can see everything is great. So there have only simple one of the mistake I did on here. Perfect. So that means the request and the request are missing. Everything is now loaded perfectly. So right now they have no error. So now that means it should be now loaded. Now click as a refresh. So now I select it and now click as a search. Yes, you can see every data is now successfully updated, right? That means it's now getting all the data. So every data is now successfully loaded, and now we have to update. That means now if you select this employee salary, and after that if you click as a submit, that will be as inserted this data. So that is the pretty simple things we have to work, and because of all I have already created another view. I have created another view page into the view, that means in our add page, that is our route as a accounts, that is our salary store. So right now from to this action I want to insert this data, right friends? So we have to insert this data. So for the reasons here I have already created one of the route as a account salary store, and in our account salary controller, into the account salary controller I have already created this method as a account salary store. So now we have to store this data. Okay friends, that means our getting that data is perfect. So here I didn't put any wrong, because of all actually everything is created in our employee salary, as I told you, into the employee monthly salary I did the same thing. So right now I just simply updated that portion. Okay, perfect. So now in our next video I want to store this data without this method as a account salary store method. So how can do that work? I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.